T-Mobile home internet relies on strong cellular signal. Weak signals below 90 dBm cause slow speeds. Check your signal strength in the T-Mobile app or router interface. Aim for -7 dBm or higher. If your signal is weak, elevate your gateway above ground level, remove obstructions, or consider adding an external antenna. T-Mobile uses different frequency bands such as 600 MHz and 2.5 GHz. Lower bands penetrate walls and buildings better, but offer slower speeds. Higher bands provide faster data transfer but have shorter range. In advanced settings, you can try forcing your gateway to lock onto a specific band. Prioritize lower bands for better stability if needed. AI-driven diagnostics are now included in new gateways like the ARC-X, which self-optimize bands. If you can access the gateway diagnostics, check this before troubleshooting manually. Network address translation issues like double NAT can cause port forwarding failures and gaming lag. To fix this, enable UPnP in your gateway settings or manually configure port forwarding if necessary. Avoid using multiple routers in a cascade. Instead, use bridge mode on the T-Mobile gateway if integrating with third-party equipment. Domain name system problems result in slow loading or site not found errors. Flush your DNS cache via command prompt using ipconfig/flushdns on Windows, or change your DNS servers to public options like Google's 8.88.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1. IPv6 issues can also cause DNS problems. Toggling IPv6 on or off in settings may resolve the problem. For the newest gateways, they self-resolve DNS issues and prioritize band penetration without user intervention. For the newest gateways, they self-resolve DNS issues and prioritize band penetration without user intervention.